Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be checking the overview of the ServiceDesk Plus. So first of all, open the browser and navigate to localhost 8080 and enter your credentials. By default, the credentials will be administrator and administrator. So once logged in, you will be seeing the homepage. Might be you will be having a different homepage. So once you are logged in, you will be seeing the home screen, the My View, where you will be seeing my summary, my task, approvals, reminders, and announcements. So this page is basically an overview or the summary page for your help desk instance, where you will be seeing all the requests which are in pending or a state or which are in pending approval stage. So here you can see open problems, changes, uh, the requests which are pending for your clarification, the requests which are overdue, and lot of other things here. So here you can see my tasks. So all the tasks which are assigned to you, whether it's related to a request task or change task or any other module task. So you can see here. So announcements, here this section is for the announcements. So any announcement made by the SD admin in the system will be notified to all the technicians, and this is the section where the technician will be seeing all the announcements made by SD admins. And here if you have created any reminders for your task, it will be seen here. Next is scheduler. Here you can add your schedules. If you click on any of this one, you can mark your leave, and here you can choose the groups, the technicians, or you can see the logged in technicians, backup tech charts, everything on the list. So you can see here only one, the technician is logged in as administrator. If you see offline, no results for offline. Backup tech charts, so it will open a window and here you will be seeing the backup technicians and what are the roles and everything here. Tech availability chart. So here you will be seeing the availability of all the technicians. So here, if you see Saturday, Sunday is not my off for the organization, so it's grayed out. And if administrator is on leave for a particular date, so suppose he is on leave, so it will be marked as leave here for administrator. So this one is for seeing like who all technicians are available on that particular day. Backup approvers. So suppose I am the approver and I am on leave for a certain period of time, and I don't want like the task or the operation should be stopped on my absence. So what I will do is like I will create my delegation so that that person can approve or reject the case on my behalf. So here you will be seeing all the list of the delegations. So here you have current and previous approvers list, and from here you can sort the records per page from 10 to 100. So lesser the number, the faster will be the application. Okay, so resource management. So resource management is also same like the scheduler that we have seen. So here you can see like administrator, and here you see the load from as 0 hours out of 9 hours. So here, if the task or any request is assigned to the user, it will be visible here, and you can see the load of that particular technician. So this is the home page. Dashboard. Dashboard will be the graphical view of the help desk or any of the modules or it's a centralized location to see all the requests in single go. Since I don't have any data in my application, so here you see zero record. So as we progress, we will be seeing the data here. So let's go to request. So if you see here request, there are a couple of filters which are available out of the box, like all the request, pending request, request to date, and lot of other options. If you want to create a particular filter for your group, so you can create it as from here. And here you see option as all, where it will be including both the incidents and service request. If you want to see only the incidents, click on the incident tab or the service as per the requirement. Mm, okay, so here you will be seeing all the requests in a tabular form. Let me quickly create a request. So I will create a request on behalf of a guest user, filling the um, fields which are mandatory. Okay, and quickly submit this. So as soon as I submit it, you will be seeing a request details page. Okay, here you will be seeing all the details, what all details the user has filled in, the approvals. If there will be any approvals, there will be one more tab for approvals. Or if you go to request tab, here you will be seeing the request has been created with the ID 1 and the status is open. Created date is the date when it was created and it's not assigned. So here, like I want to see whether it's a service request or incident. So I don't know. So how I will go is like add or remove columns. Mm, Template type. Okay, so there is option for template type. This one. So this indicates incident and service request will be icon with the cart, blue color cart. Okay. So here you can see conversations, the nodes, edit request, and the task associated to this particular request. Next is problem. Problem here is same like a request, but problem will be having a different workflow and different template altogether. And here you can see all the problems are there in this organization. So let me create a test problem and click on save. Once this is saved, here also similarly to the request tab, you will be seeing couple of options. Okay, and on the right side, you can associate the problem with the change or the incident. So if you want to associate this one to the incident, click on this one, associate existing request, this one, associate. So you see the request is associated with this particular change. And if you go to the request tab, you will be seeing the problem associated with that one, associated problem and the ID of that problem. Okay. Next, we have change. So change is also one of the main module in ITSM, where most of the companies they are using the change module to keep track of the changes they have made in their infrastructure or application side. So suppose like I need to make some changes into the infrastructure side. Like I need to apply some firewall rules. So what I will do is like I will create a change where I will be filling all the details here. So for the demonstration purpose, I will be filling the details quickly. firewall upgrade. For example, reason for change, antivirus firewall upgrade. So these can be customized. I will be demonstrating in upcoming lectures. So these are the roles that are associated with the change. Every role or has different functions to perform in the change. Okay, so these are the groups, category, network, and firewall, item, no items. So change type, we have major, minor, significant, and standard. So this will be a major change. Requester will be forward. Change owner is the person who will be working on this particular change. So Jennifer will be working on the change. Change manager is min. What is the impact, urgency? Everything I will be explaining in detail. So save it. Once the change is saved, you will be seeing a change detail view where all the details will be seen. Next is projects. So projects will be on the module is used to keep track of all the ongoing projects in the organizations. So project will be consisting of milestones, different tasks, and different groups that are involved in the projects until it is released. Next, we have release. So once a project is created, you there will be a release request that needs to be raised so that there will be a proper streamlined process so that everything is in line. So release and changes are both similar and they have different workflows. Solutions is the tab where all the knowledge base articles will be in place. So in here by default there will be few categories like hardware, networks, and software. So if you want to add more topics, so like HR policies, so you can add that one. So you see like HR policies is created. Click on this one and add new topic. Um, leave. Okay, leave is created. Here you can drag it inside the HR. Next, you create it like travel policies. And here, if you see travel is created, drag it to HR policies and move. So it will be under HR policies now. And if you want to delete any of the existing topics, click on this hamburger icon and delete this one, or you want to rename it, you can rename as well. Okay, so maintenance is the module or the tab where you can schedule the occurrence of the requests, right? So like at particular date or at particular time, there will be a patch upgrade. So you can create a schedule for the Windows team to, like create do the patching on a time. So let me create it. Um, Patch upgrade. The requester will be the person who has requested for this particular maintenance. Windows 2012 patch upgrade. Okay. Okay, so you can fill all the details here. Click on next. Here you will be seeing the schedule like when you want to schedule it. Like it should be once, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So suppose it should be every month. Advanced option, so you can choose the days or the day for that particular month or on the first of every like Thursday or Friday. Repeats and never, and this will be the time when the ticket will be created. So at 8:20 p.m. the request will be created every month on 19th of October. Okay, click on save and it will save the schedule. So schedule will be or the maintenance will be with icon. Next is assets. So assets are IT and non-IT assets will be there like the Windows server or the laptops, mouse, keyboard, wires, mobile phones, virtual machines, softwares, everything into one place that is asset. Right here under the summary page, you will be seeing how many workstations are there and how many like are in store or in use, in repair, everything. CMDB. CMDB is the relationship between different CIs. Okay, and it's a graphical interface. So if you see here all CIs, you see you have different department users, uh, IT services, support group, everything into one place. So if you want to create it, I will show in the next lectures. Next, we have purchase, contracts, reports, and community reports. So, okay, so reports are basically um, the set of records for particular module. So, if you want to see the records for the particular request, so you have three options: custom report, query report, and schedule reports. So, custom reports will be like the drag and drop. Like you will be choosing the options from the left column and dragging it to the right columns. Then it will be having different filtering options and columns to group, and you can add the charts also to this particular request. So this will be the custom reports. Next is the schedule, the query reports. Query reports is something the query you will be writing it in your database, either the MS SQL or uh, PES SQL. So then you will be choosing the table schema from here. So suppose like I'm choosing the incident request. This will be the relationship between different tables. So star, click on this one. It will be linked to the next tables. So see the request details is linked to the work order queue, work order states, and if you click on work order ID, it will be further connected to different tables. So it is connected to work order table, work order ID. It will be connected to further different tables, and you can see the database linking of the tables from here in the graphical view. This is admin tab, or this will be only visible to the SD admin. Here you can see the services configuration will be there, the users and the roles or the permissions to that particular users, the mail server settings, customizations, automations, template and form designings, integrations, ZIA, everything from this particular portal. From the help icon, you can see the license that you are using it. So since I'm on trial license, you can see evaluation user, expiry in 25 days, and you can create three portals, right? And you are on 14.5 build. Here you can see like I have two instances, and if I want to create one more, then three will be the limit for me. Okay, and about section will be showing you the version that you are using it. So currently I am on 14.5.3, but the latest one is 14.5.04. Okay, this will be user profile where you will be seeing all the details like personalize. You can set the date, the format, you can change the password, but this option will be disabled if you enable LDAP authentication. Generate auth token. This is for the APIs or integration with the third-party applications. Okay, and here you have the layout personalization. So how you want the navigation menus on the top bar, sidebar. Okay, so sidebar will be like this, and this will be the preferred colors. And if you want to enable the night mode, you can click on night mode. Okay. So here you see quick actions. So here it will be a list of all the quick actions, and you have shortcuts also for this one. Duration, incident, problem, change. So if you click on incident, the incident default template will be opened here. If you want to open a change, click on change, and the default change template will be opened here. Here, this icon is to create a new request, and new request will be consisting of both the incident and the service request. So if you see this application login, so this is the category, and under this category, there we have couple of other incident or service request templates. So the incident templates will be with orange color icon, and the service request um, icons can be changed. So here we can have lot of service categories created. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, you can comment, or you can mail me on my Gmail ID mentioned in my about section. And if you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.